You know that my YouTube is monetized already, right?
It is?
Yeah, it's monetized already.
How many viewers you have?
I have 1,300 subscribers.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
So it's giving you a benefit already? No.
I'm still waiting, oh. 1,377, something like that. Also, you need to remove the housing of the back first.
Yeah.
I thought you're going to start with directly to that. Ano.
Why you
So
do it
this one is
directly?
connected. It's like a lock.
Yeah. Better to do it that way.
You know this laptop? It's from other here clients.
Really?
They thought that it's already it's not working.
Gone.
Yeah, and then I asked Iqbal to try it to what do you call this, reformat. Yeah, and it works.
It works.
But there's line.
Yeah.
There's line in the monitor,
Yeah.
and very small line. I use it,
Mm-hmm.
and then when I reach in Philippines,
Mm-hmm.
it became so big already.
Ah, okay.
It's still working though. But my sister told me that it's not anymore opening.
Mm-hmm.
But when I open it there in Philippines, it's working. It's fine. I don't know why she's saying it's not opening. So guys, this is the replacement. What do you call this? Replacement of
Screen.
screen?
Yeah. Display.
Screen replacement. This is a HP laptop. The one that Iqbal's Apple, that's yours, right? Your clients, right?
Yeah.
Is it fixed already? You fixed it yesterday?
It was just
Hard drive.
replacement of hard drive. I think we can do it from top.
Uh-huh.
We can do it from here.
Okay. Wow. Okay. It's not like it's like a double-sided tape only, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Frame for that. We need to remove these screws.
How many screws is that? Only what?
4.
4 screws. Ah, okay. One from down. Sorry, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging my own laptop. Maybe this will reach for another 5,000 views with this guy.
So I'm gonna have some share.
His wife is gonna kick him out.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have some share with that, right?
Yeah, of
This
course.
is your display.
Mm.
Have fun with it, and this is the new one.
Okay, this is the old one.
Okay.
So It says made in China. Made in China.
I just prefer the name.
Mm. It's the same, right? Think so.
Can I have the charger for this one?
It's fully charged.
Fully charged?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the battery.
Seems like you just open it directly, right? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
No need to remove
No
from.
need to remove this one.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see it before. I see
Mm.
it works.
Ooh, that was fast. That's very fast. Is there any plastic protection or this that we need to remove? There is, right?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, congrats. That was fast, man. Took only 7 minutes. Damn. That's the protection, right? Yeah. Now it looks really brand new. Iqbal.
Can you remove the plastic?
Huh?
Remove the plastic.
Yeah, no? Well,
निकाल दो plastic निकाल.
you can remove, no?
Should I remove it now?
Yeah.
Or you will just do it
Just remove it.
opening ceremony with that?
No need for that. Thank you.
Leave it on your phone.
Damn. So guys, that's how fast it is.
This is it.
Thank you, Ali. This one I will keep this as a remembrance. Remember. If you did not remove this, maybe only 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You didn't even 5 minutes.
Actually, sometimes the edges are very hard to remove. That's why I just open this one to make sure it is.
It can be removed directly na Iqbal. He removed the screws in there.
Some of them have locks inside. You
Ah.
have to really open it.
Mm.
If you're doing one model, then you know.
Mm.
If you're doing too many models, then it's different.
So mostly are connected with this, no? Most of the laptops, I think. But for this one, it's just direct.
The new models they are different. They're more slim.
Damn, that's crazy. How come it's easy for you to remove that? That's for the CD, right? The one he removes. That's
Yeah,
CD, right?
That's a clamp. Yeah.
Huh?
That is
You
just
can
a
remove
clamp.
that one?
Yeah.
Really?
It's a replacement part. Because now you don't get it anymore, 3Ds.
Yeah. I don't know why this laptop. I tried it with my brother's TV. It's not working. The HDMI
You need to enable it with the keyboard.
enable. Huh? How?
Control P.
Ah, okay.
It doesn't work. You have to activate it.
I have to activate it. That's why it's not working directly.
Yeah. It only works if it's already been activated.
Oh, I know.
One screw was already short before, right? Not
I think so, yeah. That's fine. Yes, eh?
क्या size क्या है?
Thank you, ba? Now, see? See, guys. Now there's no lines. It's a brand new screen. Yes. Nice. Perfect. HP. I don't know what model is this. Yep, works fine.
चले एक बार मैं यहाँ बिल्डिंग